Hey there, folks. It's Dub here, and we're back with the April edition of the Cairn box. Well, the Cairn bag, the Cairn sack, the Cairn pillow, whatever you want to call it. It's the April 2018 edition, and we're gonna open this one up. And it's pretty light, save for this end has got something weighty. That's probably, if they're including a food item or something, that's probably what that is. But it feels like something, maybe clothing or some kind of gear in that manner. There we go. All right. It's some kind of material. Huh. Did I say? Is that, is it a pillow? Did I say pillow? Track down. All right. Try and find out. All right. This is Sierra Designs. All right. Sierra Designs right there. And it says on it the dry down pillow. So I'm guessing that's down. So it's a pillow. And that's why it's so light, because it's made of feathers. Very, very, very cool. That's a good sized little pillow. And another thing about down, if you don't know this, but see how inflated and fluffy the pillow is, but down itself actually can compress quite well because it's feathers, and then it fluffs back up. It's also very supportive. It's got some wicking effects as far as for pulling moisture off and whatnot. And I don't think, gosh, I'd have to look up if it has you know, mildew preventative properties and that kind of thing, but I like the feel of it so far. I'd probably put something over this, if not just even like a little t-shirt. This nylon-y material, it's almost kind of like something like a balloon a little bit if you're rubbing on it. Maybe that'd work if you're tired enough. I guarantee you, if you're tired enough it'd work. But anywho, let's see here. Looks like you could open it up, so that is that the pillowcase itself? All right. Let's see here. Let's see if we can pull this deal out, or is this sewn in? No, it's letting it release here. So there's more to this than met the eye. Okay, maybe this is just the cover, and you can choose to sleep on that part if you want. There is some padding to this, but this obviously says Mount Whitney on it. This obviously is the pillow. Kind of cool looking, I suppose, if you're into aesthetics in your camping situation. So have to read up and see. And then again, there's also this little pouch here. So this must be the stuff pouch the whole thing goes into. And I'm going to go with this is the pillowcase that is actually a padded on one side. This side has nothing at all. And this side has the padding where the diamond stitching is. So that's would be my guess. So that's a pretty cool deal. All right. Interesting. I thought it was clothes, but pillows might be a good thing. All right. What else we got in here? Let's see. So usually this is on the top. I didn't grab on the top on this one, but we'll pop it open for you folks. You can get a look at what that is if you want to. And on the back side, and as always, the offer stands. If you want it, hit me up, you can have it. Otherwise, let's dig in. There's a few things in here. All right, this is some all-weather tough right in the rain paper. And I've gotten some of this stuff before in a different box, and I dig it. It's awesome to have a little notepad in the EDC kit or throw it in your vehicle and whatnot. If you back into somebody and you want to leave a note with your insurance information, or see a cute girl in the street, want to get her number. I'm dating myself. Look at that. Get a number. Put it in your phone, guy. But hey, if it's raining, you get your phone out. This might look smart. And if she's an outdoorsy kind of girl, you might score some points. So hey, who knows? Maybe it'll work. All right, let's see. What we got next? We got their food item, which isn't a 100% guarantee, but darn if it's not a high 80s and 90% guarantee you're going to get some food in that one. So this is Scratch Labs Anytime Energy Bar, and the flavor here is slightly sweet with cherries and pistachios. So last one we had was the some kind of like a lemon bar. It was delicious. So hopefully this one is good as well. And I always like to kind of take a look at some of the energy / nutrition on the back of this without opening the darn thing. We can do that. All right. So total fat is 10 grams. Carb is 27 grams. 5 grams of protein. The whole thing is 210 calories. So as far as a little trail bar or a snack, it's a pretty good option. As long as you're a cherries and pistachios fan, which that sounds good to me, we'll have to give it a whirl. That's one thing I like about the food items. You get one, it's big enough that if you have a significant other or kids or whatnot, you could break a little piece off and test and figure out if you want to buy one of those. Originally, I thought these were kind of a goofy idea, but honestly, Cairn picked some really quality food items. They're usually really well made and stuff that I will consider buying, have considered buying, and looked up online and ordered. So Some of their stuff is fantastic. But you get to try it and see for yourself. Oh, hey, a sticker. All right. So, bug protector. That was the weightier item. I guess that plus the bar and the pad itself. They're bug protector. All natural bug repellent. Ticks, we got highlighted there in blue. So that's a big one. If you have any friends or family who have had Lyme's disease before, that's not a good thing to have. So if you are in a tick heavy area, be sure you do something about it. You don't necessarily have to buy this brand. I haven't tried it yet. I'm not going to necessarily recommend it. But do something as well as pet yourself down and your animals as well if you take dogs with you. So DEET free. Let's see, anything else here we need to know? Made with essential oils. All right, all natural ingredients. Kid and pet friendly. So hey, there we go. That's a pretty good stuff. Looks like there's not a lot of bad ingredients to it. It looks like some oils that they got in here that I cannot pronounce necessarily, but I'm going to hold that up. If that reads across on anybody's screen, that's what they're claiming are the active ingredients right there. So you can look that up yourself. I'll try it out. I got a couple of dogs myself, and I found a tick or two on me here and there. You know, we've got some up here in Northern California. All right, and everything else that's in there is sailboat fuel. All right, yeah, okay. So going back through it, it is the Scratch Labs bar, which is the cherry and pistachio flavor. Right in the Rain pad, which has kind of a greenish look to it. The other one I have, I think, is either kind of just a plain white. So that's got a slightly different tone. We've got the bug protector, and we've got the pillow, the pillowcase, and the overall carrying case, which some people might be